It just really got ugly, or what's that word I'm looking for? Dark on us. Fiercely dark. Yeah. This? Yeah, it is. Here, hold on, folks. And yeah, it's fixing to rain. Holy Moses, we're fixing to get the Niagara Falls treatment. Yeah, the gentleman's a friend of Lloyd's. He's asking, in fact, I showed him the radar, and it is nothing but a big red wave coming through here, man. If I get a chance, we need this rain. We really do, man. We haven't had any in over 2 weeks. But here it comes. Here comes the wind, the rain wind, the downdrafts. Oh, much needed rain, man. Water my grass at last. That wind gets scary. Alright, what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut this off. And if it gets really ugly, I'm going to have to make the next cell, or rather next video clip with quiet in case it really gets ugly. I'm just saying right now. Again, this rain's been out in the Gulf of Mexico all day, and it finally moved its way up here. Look at the clouds. Okay, excuse me while I pause to get a shot like this, a still. God. Made the street lamps come on. Well, the rain, that rain cloud has made everything dark. It's 10 till 6, and usually that sun is glaring inside here during that time. Well, it's not glaring now. And look at that. We are in the dark. There's Reg, if you can see him. There's the biting boy, if you can see him. What the hell does this mean? AEAF lock. It says it on the screen. Well, y'all can't see it, but I can. It's dark and stormy. My mom's relaxing through it. So is Teddy. What are you watching? Oh, Rifleman. Hey, it's raining good outside. Ralph asleep right there. I think Pops is shaving. No, he's watching his teeth out. How you feeling today, Pops? I told my viewers on Twitter that you took a spill yesterday. He took a spill, guys, and he's pretty much okay now. And we tell him, don't be afraid to ask us to walk you to the bathroom, man, so you don't fall. He hurt himself right here. He hurt himself right there. But he's okay. I mean, we didn't... You scare us when you do that because we don't know if you're in the bathroom or not. You quietly go in here and then you take a spill. We'll have to put a monitor on him. It's a stormy night. It's good luck. Isn't that right, Ralph? Everybody's napping around here. How you doing, princess? See, look how dark it makes everything here. Of course, there's lamps in here, but sometimes the camera shows up everything dark than it really is, and it shows up light when it really is. Because when I walk out here, it's pretty dang dark. You see, look at there. Well, is it fogged up? Look how light it is, but it's really dark. There's something screwed up with the auto. I think it's the auto light adjustment. Kill it. Okay, now how's that? See, it's lighter. The sky is lighter than it really appears in real life over there above that tree. It's dark gray over there on the screen here. It's light gray. It's just like in the mirror on cars. Objects are closer than they really appear. Looking in your rearview mirror on a car, passenger side. The auto light adjustment didn't work well. Cause see, when I go in here, you see, adjusted that. I would like for this camera to have auto, retina reflect when you take the pictures, like of the cats with the flash. It makes their eyes glow. My other see there, look, it adjusted. Whee! I'd like for it to have that. I think there's an app you can probably do for it. These cameras, iPhones are full of surprises. But man, this rain is so relaxing, so refreshing because it's been so hot and steamy. And this may last throughout the afternoon because there's a large body of rain in the area. Just don't want the wind to blow off the house or lightning to strike as well. Alright, till next time, or if it gets ugly.